हेलो एवरीवन, वेलकम टू इंडियन स्टॉक मार्केट। सो गाइज, आज हम बात करेंगे स्टॉक टिप्स के बारे में, लेकिन उससे पहले आप मेरे चैनल को सब्सक्राइब कीजिए, लाइक कीजिए, कमेंट्स कीजिए, शेयर कीजिए और हाँ, बेल आइकन को दबाना मत भूलिए। आपका प्यार और सहयोग आवश्यक है, तो सहयोग दीजिएगा। चलिए आज कुछ नया सीख लेते हैं। सो गाइज, आज हम बात करते हैं स्टॉक टिप्स के बारे में। फर्स्ट स्टॉक है हमारा एस्कॉर्ट्स कुबोटा लिमिटेड। कंपनी के फंडामेंटल्स काफ़ी स्ट्रांग है, कंपनी फाइनेंशियल वे काफ़ी स्ट्रांग है। एक शॉर्ट टर्म डिलीवरी आपको बाय करनी है। ओके, लेट्स मूव। ओके, सो गाइज, Escorts Kubota share price, stock analysis and Recos. Current market price 2117.95 with a target price of rupees 3500. Industry auto tractors. This is a technical chart. Escorts Kubota. Okay, insights, key metrics, returns, insights. All debts paid off. Company has become debt free for the first time since last 5 years. Source, consolidated financials. Key metrics. Okay, key metrics. PE ratio 44.74, EPS TTM 47.34, market capital 27,944.36 crore. Sectoral market capital rank 10, PB ratio 3.66, dividend yearly 0.33, face value 10, beta 2.53, VWAP 2115.30 and 52-week low high 2358.35 and 1306.70. Escorts share price returns 1 day, 1 week, 1 month, 3 month, 1 year, 3 years and 5 years. Okay. Escorts news and analysis. Escort share analyze. Recommendation strong buy. Financials. Okay. Quarterly, annual, September 2022. Ratios. Cash flow. Balance sheets. And income, profit and loss. Okay, company has spent less than 1% of its operating revenues towards interest expenses and 7.49% towards employee costing in the year ending 31st March 2022. Okay, source, consolidated financials. Quarterly, annual. Total income 1968.85. Total income growth minus 4178. Total expenses 1831.33. Total expenses minus 1.82. EBITDA 137.52. EBITDA growth minus 32.03. Profit after tax PAT 98.83. PAT growth minus 29.73. EBITDA margin 6.98. Net profit margin 5.02. Basic EPS 9.14. Forecast. Technicals. Okay, 44% positive moment since 1st Jan 2005 on intraday basis, 55% negative moment since 1st Jan 2005 on intraday basis. Okay, pivot levels. Classic R1, R2, R3, S1, S2, S3. Pivot 2114.65. ATR 5 days, 14 days and 28 days. Peer comparison. Technical chart. Okay, Escorts HMT Limited and VST Tiller Tractors. Okay, insights: stock returns versus Nifty Midcap 100. Stock gave a 3-year return of 212.36% as compared to Nifty Midcap 100, which gave a return of 77.48% as of last trading season. Okay, ratios performs, shareholding pattern. Okay, category: 30 September 2022 total shareholdings, quarter and quarter change. Okay, promoters 72.90, pledge 0.00, FII 0.00, DII 7.65, mutual fund 6.70, others 19.45. Mutual fund ownership: first, HDFC tax saver direct growth equity else, rating 2 star, amount invested 241.84 crore, 2.42% annual, 0.00 change month to month basis. Okay, then second, Invesco India Contra direct growth equity value oriented, rating 4 star, amount invested 177.87 crore, 1.85% annual plus 4.05% change month to month basis. Okay, then third, HSBC value direct growth equity value oriented, rating 3 star, amount invested 115.46% crore, 1.43% annual, 0.00 change month to month basis. Okay, F and code. Corporate action: Escorts dividend, others. Okay, about Escorts Limited. Okay, so guys, Escorts Kubota Limited, incorporated in the year 1944, is a medicap company having a market capital of rupees 27,944.36 crore, operating in auto sector. एक ऑटो कंपनी आई है Escorts Kubota Limited. Key product revenue segment include tractors, agriculture and operating revenue, scrap, sale of services and export incentives for the year ending 31st March 2022. Okay, financials. For the quarter ended 30 September 2022, the company has reported a consolidated total income of rupees 1968.85 crore, down 4.78% from last quarter. Total income of rupees 2067.58 crore and up 13.19% from last year same quarter. Total income of rupees 1739.36 crore. Company has reported net profit after tax of rupees 103.55 crore in latest quarter. Okay, company has Volker Chandiok and Company LLP as its auditors as on 30 September 2022. The company has a total of 13.19 crore shares outstanding. Nikhil Nanda, Chairman and Managing Director, Industry Auto and Tractors. Ajay Mandhar, Chief Executive Officer. Okay. Location 15/5 Mathura Road, Faridabad, Haryana 121003, India. Okay, so guys, Escorts Kubota share price, stock analysis and Recos. Sector auto, industry auto, tractors. Current market price 2117.95 with a target price of रुपये 3500. 3500 का टारगेट है. एक शॉर्ट टर्म डिलीवरी आपको बाय करनी है. कंपनी के फंडामेंटल्स काफ़ी स्ट्रॉन्ग है, कंपनी फाइनेंशियल भी काफ़ी स्ट्रॉन्ग है. ओके, सो गाइज आज के लिए बस इतना ही. कल फिर मिलते हैं, तब तक के लिए अनुमति दीजिए. नमस्कार. बोलो राधे राधे.